Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see the tutorial for fixing hotspot connected but no internet access. For the first one is you can try a simple restart. So just restart it from here, tap on the restart and both the hotspot device and the device connected to the hotspot can resolve many temporary glitches. And the second is verify the hotspot settings. So head over to the hotspot settings. So in here you can find the hotspot settings in here. So if you keep tapped on it, you will get to the hotspot settings. So here, try to see that if you have a strong password and it is properly configured, and check the data allowance and the symbol strength. Make sure these are okay, and then try to see if your airplane mode is on. Then try to turn it off and then check your hotspot. So yeah, these are the ways you can try to fix your hotspot connected but no internet on Android. So hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.